Hi, if you feel math and science is hard, boring, or difficult, then you have not yet learned to have fun with it. Why do students perform poorly in maths and science? Often parents ask me this question. To understand that, the syllabus up to 5th standard is thematic. That is, an example, if a pen costs rupees 2 and I have rupees 10, how many can I buy? Answer is 5. But from 6th standard onwards, abstractions begin. Now here, take an example. A pen costs rupees 2, I have X rupees, how many can I buy? To understand all of this, we will need to understand the timeline of school mathematics, how it is taught in Indian systems. For that, the class syllabus of 1 to 5 is theme based. That is, operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions, fractions, multiples, and factors are operations which are learned from 1-digit numbers to 6-digit numbers with very basic concepts. But from 6th standard onwards, the approach to mathematics needs to change because a lot of imagination is required to study fractions, decimals, algebra, geometry, ratio and proportion, order of operations, rational numbers, powers and exponents, comparing quantities, and visualizing different patterns. Let us look at some classic mistakes that students make. The first one is the order of operations, that is BODMAS, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. See this example. If you give this example to 10 different students, each one of you will give a different answer. When we talk about factors and multiples, factors are numbers that completely divide another number, whereas multiple is a number that is present in the table of a given number. So the multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6, 8 and 12, while 2, 4, 6 and 8 and 12 all have factor as 2. The next topic that students have difficulty is in the tests of divisibility. 2, 4 and 8 have the tests of looking at the final 1, 2 and 3 digits. 3 and 9 have the same sum of digits type of test. If a number follows 2 and 3 test, it will follow 6 test, and 7 will be revealed in later videos. Fractions are a big disaster because most often numerator and denominator are confused. Equivalent fractions such as a by b equal to c by d, this is the definition. This definition is confused. Like fractions are not paid attention. The denominators whose being same are called as like fractions. Now on operations of fractions, only like fractions can be added or subtracted, whereas any fraction can be multiplied or divided by any other fraction. If you look at this example, this is a classic mistake that many students make. Language. I cannot stress how important language is for learning maths and science, because basic language skills remain undeveloped for years in students. This is why students keep performing poorly. LSRW are listening, reading, writing and speaking skills which are important, which affect comprehension, that is the ability to understand or extract meaning from expressions. This creates a very huge lack of understanding in students. Let us look at an example. 2 more than twice a number is 10. Find the number. Written mathematically, this translates to 2 plus twice the number is 10. Now every time we cannot use words, so we simplify writing this by using variables, and on solving we get the answer as 4. The solving is not as difficult, whereas the translation from language to mathematics is what is found difficult by students because of weakness in language. Then a simple mistake that many kids do is in transpose. Transpose is in 2 parts, in addition and subtraction and multiplication and division. If you have an operation such as 3 plus 2 is 5 and you want to take 2 to the other side of the equal to sign, then the plus sign will flip to minus. If it was minus, it would have become plus. Whereas if it is 4 into 2 equal to 8, then the into sign flips to division sign, or the division sign flips into multiplication sign. This is where a lot of mistakes are found. To wrap up, forgotten or unresolved doubts of lower classes creates problems in higher classes. For more videos, subscribe to our channel Aims to Learn or Heuristics with Hemant, and keep following for more.